The theater player is packed with thoughtful features and details. Let's walk you through them. When you play a movie or TV show, the player window will pop up if you're using Dolby Vision or HDR content and your monitor supports and enables HDR. A Dolby Vision or HDR label will appear. You can freely adjust the width and height of the window. At the top left, you'll see the title of the video currently playing. At the top right, there's a pin button. You can keep the player always on top by clicking, so it won't be covered by other apps. You can move your mouse over the timeline to drag and adjust the playback progress when watching TV shows. You can quickly jump to the previous or next episode from the bottom left. You can fast forward or rewind by 15 seconds to adjust the playback, and you can pause or resume at any time. Click the speaker icon and drag to adjust the volume. If the video supports multiple definition via transcoding, you can switch between the original quality and other options. Playback speed can be adjusted from 0.5x up to 3x. Click the CC button to turn subtitles on or off. If multiple subtitle tracks are available, you can easily switch between them. Click Adjust Subtitle. You can change the size, adjust the height, and even sync the timing by plus or minus 50 milliseconds. To add subtitles, you can select Download them online. The system will automatically match and search by title, allowing you to filter by language. Once downloaded, subtitles will be automatically loaded. If you already have subtitle files saved locally, you can upload them directly from your computer. The uploaded subtitles will also be automatically loaded into the video. All external subtitle files can also be removed at any time. Click Picture-in-Picture. Player will automatically switch to a floating mini window that stays on top of other apps. You can freely move and resize this window. Click Full Screen for an immersive viewing experience. Click Settings. You'll find more advanced options. You can set the aspect ratio to original aspect ratio or choose other common ratios. For decoding method, both hardware decoding and software decoding are supported. Software decoding is more compatible and works with nearly all formats. Hardware decoding uses less CPU, making playback smoother. It's great for large video files like 4K or HDR. You can pick whichever works best for you. You can also adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation of the video. If the video has multiple sound tracks, you can switch between different languages or audio versions. The audio output option is available only in the Windows version of the player. It defaults to stereo output. If your video includes Dolby Audio or multi-channel tracks such as 5.1 or 7.1, you can switch to audio pass-through mode. Note that this requires an external device that supports pass-through. Once enabled, volume and playback speed cannot be adjusted. You can select a playback mode based on your preference. Play in order, repeat all, play one episode, repeat one, and random loop. If your device's display performance is low, and you encounter a black screen or transparent window, enable compatibility mode for smoother playback. When watching TV shows, you can enable skip intro and outro. The system will automatically detect and set the skip times. If the detect times aren't accurate, you can adjust them manually. This only applies to the current show. The playlist will display all episodes of the series in order, making it easy to binge watch. When watching movies, the playlist won't show additional items. You'll need to find and download the videos, subtitles, and soundtracks on your own. The mobile player works much like the desktop version, but it's been specially optimized for mobile. Tap the lock icon on the left side of the playback screen to enable screen lock mode. Once enabled, only the video will be displayed, and the control bar will be hidden. Swipe up or down on the left side of the screen to adjust brightness, and swipe on the right side to control volume. In portrait mode, the bottom toolbar provides commonly used controls such as pause, play, next episode, definition, and speed switch, and playlist access. A cast to LAN device button is available in the upper right corner. Please ensure your phone and the casting device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. When playing in landscape mode, if you're using Dolby Vision or HDR content, and your display supports and enables HDR, a Dolby Vision HDR label will appear. You can further customize subtitle settings, such as toggling subtitles on or off, adjusting subtitle timing, position, and size, or selecting and adding subtitle languages. Currently, SRT and ASS subtitle formats are supported. You can add subtitles from online downloads, local files, or NAS sources, and remove them at any time. If the video has multiple audio tracks, you can switch between them here. Also, in the top right, tap three dots icon to enable picture-in-picture mode. The video will float above other apps so it won't get blocked. You can even switch to audio-only mode by enabling Listen to Video, so playback continues even if the screen is locked or the app is in the background. Enable background play to keep watching even when the app isn't in the foreground. You can select a playback mode based on your preference. Play in order, repeat all, play one episode, repeat one, and random loop. If you prefer timed playback, you can set a fixed end time or a custom duration, and playback will automatically stop once the timer expires. You can choose hardware decoding or software decoding, and adjust the display size to your preference. When watching TV shows, you can enable and configure the skip intro and outro feature.